Good morning. Guess what I'm doing? Kayaking.
So this is Lago Yojoa. And well, I didn't do a great job of vlogging here. But I still want to share with you this beautiful place. And perhaps something else that's been on my mind.
Gracias.
Llegue al lago,
Ajá.
al lado derecho.
Okay.
Hay más bonito, hay más bosque, más paisajes, más animalitos.
Okay. Animalitos.
Sí, pájaros.
¿Qué tipo? Pájaros.
Pájaros.
Oh.
The truth is, I'm feeling a tad burnt out. But it's really no big deal, and I couldn't be in a better place for it.
Look how calm the water is. It's amazing. There's all these crazy, amazing birds. There's so many. Oh, I'm gonna get into this. It's stuck in the moss. Wow, it's really incredible. There's like a bunch of storks. Well, I don't know what they're really called, but I call them storks. You know, from the books, the big white ones. And then there's ones like that that are like kind of grayish blue. They're really cool.
So I took it easy at the lake and soaked up the beauties of local life.
Do you hear that? I don't know if the camera will be able to pick it up, but there's like music and singing happening in kind of the background, in the distance somewhere. So I just came walking to see if I can find it. I think I found it. It's here. It seems like it could be a church. What, do you want to see? Hola, buenas.
Te traigo una silla ya.
Okay, gracias.
Then there was a stray dog in the hostel restaurant that they tried to kick out.
No quiere salir. The restaurant in the hostel, they were trying to get this street puppy to leave.
But she kept sneaking back in.
Oh, looks like somebody snuck back in.
And I just can't imagine how she was getting back in and who was letting her stay there.
Just jump up here, huh? What are you doing? Are you doing a splits? What is this? Girl, oh, that's a good girl. Yeah, Yes, a good girl. Oh.
Pero está frontal.
Ajá, no, no, sí. Sí. Yeah, girl. Sí, tú puedes.
I also went to a nearby waterfall that was insanely beautiful and very easy to get to.
Ay, tierno.
Gracias.
She said I almost died a week ago. I lost my wheel. I thought I let you know.
Wow, way bigger than I realized it was going to be.
So I wait up here. I just let it know. I wait along the corridor. Some would say that
This is such a huge waterfall.
need to go this far. We do know who we are. Can we make this even better? Somewhere close about. Ooh, let's find
Hola.
out.
¿Cómo estás? ¿Qué es eso?
Este es mazapán.
Mazapán.
No, I
Se sirve como tortilla.
felt this way.
Oh, necesito cocinar.
Sí.
Oh, ok. Gracias. ¿Qué pasa?
Every time you look at me,
Oh,
eating at
I
least a
see.
third degree.
Oh, that's my girl. Yeah, what are you doing? Yeah, I wish I could take you and take you with me. That's a good girl. Get it, good girl. All right, all packed up, leaving Lago Yojoa, and going to Comayagua with a stop at some caves in between. And we're off.
Experiencing travel exhaustion is really common. I think every long-term traveler experiences it. And of course, it makes a lot of sense. Travel is tough on the body. But burnout is a little different. Exhaustion is a state of fatigue, while burnout is a complete depletion. I was definitely feeling exhausted, but I wasn't quite sure if I was completely burned out.
Hola, ¿cómo estás? ¿Está abierto? 96. Ajá. Okay. ¿Está bien?
¿Si va a necesitar el servicio de un guía?
Sí.
¿El nombre es Darwin?
Carmen.
Voy a ser el guía que le va a acompañar.
So this is Cuevas de Talabe. Obviously, filming in a cave doesn't work so well, but here are the highlights. First of all, the cave is huge, and it has these very deep cavities.
Aquí es un agujero de 8.78 metros.
¿Cuánto?
8.78.
Hay un río adentro.
Pasaba un río por dentro de aquí. Este es el primero, el segundo de más allá de 10.89
89
metros.
metros.
10.89 metros.
Wow.
And of course, guess what you would find at the bottom of those cavities?
Just told me there's a bunch of cell phones down there because people dropped them.
What's really cool is the cave has 2 distinct climates.
Esta parte fresca, solo subimos ahí arriba
Ajá.
y ya va a sentir usted el clima rapidito que cambia.
¿Sí?
Esta parte fresca, es más fresca. Hay más humedad adentro y hace más la calor. Como esta parte más seca aquí.
Also, something really bizarre happened here.
Hay una persona viviendo aquí.
Ajá, el nombre de esa
¿De
persona,
Estados Unidos?
un aeropirata
Ah.
robándose la cantidad de $300,000.
Wow. Pone el dinero aquí.
Ajá, se supone que está escondido. Ajá.
And if you're a rock nerd like me, you'll be blown away by all the quartz and crystals.
Ah, eso es
Cuarzo.
un cuarzo.
Sí.
Wow. Wow. Todo es cuarzo.
Todo es cuarzo, toda esta
¿Todo?
roca es cuarzo. Sí.
Oh, wow.
Hay bastante ahí, todo eso es de cuarzo.
Wow. Cuarzo.
Sí. Ahí hay bastantes cuarzos. Si quiere ver ahí.
And he even offered me a gift.
Este es cuarzo, mira.
Oh, wow.
Un regalo.
Ah, sí. Oh, wow. Qué bonito, gracias.
And if you like, you can continue the tour. But they call that something different.
Y para lo que se hace un tour extremo.
Ajá.
La tardanza ahí adentro es de 4 horas.
Ajá.
So, not the easiest to film, but this cave was really cool and definitely worth a stopover.
Gracias. Mommy, you give you a gift of a little crystal. So cute. Bueno, muchas gracias,
Bueno,
Darlene.
a usted. Que le vaya bien.
Gracias. It was really fun.
So, now we head to Comayagua. For as long as I've been living and exploring on my motorcycle, and now making content, I feel like I'm still figuring this lifestyle out. There's nothing I'd rather be doing, and I also think I'm draining my bucket. I think there are adjustments I need to make to avoid total burnout. But to do so, I need a deeper awareness of what exactly is draining me. I need a deeper understanding of what my soul needs to fuel up. And that may take some time to explore. In the meantime, we have arrived to Comayagua. Comayagua is known to be one of the most beautiful colonial cities in Honduras.
Hola. Hola.
Ah, bueno, pero habría que entrarla por allá.
Puede. Allá. Ok. ¿Sí o...?